It is late at night. I'm bored. I'm about to get ready to take a shower, so I decided to play in some makeup. I've been saying for a little bit that I want to change up my makeup routine, like my base routine. And I won't be doing Uche's tutorial, I don't think. I just kind of want to find something that, you know, works with my face. My usual look is like a soft glam. I'm still gonna do soft glam, but I'm gonna do, I really want to get into the bright under eye look. So I usually keep my under eye like a shade or maybe two lighter than like the rest of my skin, but I want to get into the bright under eye look, especially like when I'm going out, because I want it to like really show up nice in pictures. I'm also going to try to do contour. I don't really usually do like cream contour. I always do like bronzer and stuff, so I am going to try to contour a little bit. I'm a little nervous. I'm going to be using this contour stick from Juvia's place. I've had it since forever. I bought it a little while ago. So I don't know if it's gonna show. Doesn't look like it's doing. Oh, okay, got a little some. It's not, I don't think it's dark enough. It's okay. I do not contour my nose, so we're not gonna do too much with her. I'm just gonna do my highlight now. So I'm gonna be using my regular shade first, just cause that's just what I'm used to. And then I'll go over it with like a brighter under eye color. So I'm gonna let this dry down just a little bit and bring out my cute little fan. The application is so much faster when you already do your eyebrows and like your eyes and stuff. The base is probably, it could be anywhere from like 15 to 30 minutes depending on what you got going on. More like 15 to 20, but I'm gonna spray my face and get to blending. I'm gonna blend out all the edges first and then blend out the middle, because I really want to keep a lot of that pigment, you know, focus in the center. But we want to buff out those edges because we don't want any harsh lines, period. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and just blend out underneath my eyes. My AC just came on, so it'll probably be a little loud. It is what it is. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a lighter shade, just put that in the very inner corners of my eye. I'm gonna let this dry down again. Cute little spray. And now we blend. I don't know if I'm even gonna get the look I'm going for. I'm just trying stuff. We're experimenting at 11 something at night, because why not? Like, just play and makeup. That's how you get better. I've been doing makeup for, or doing makeup on myself for like 10 plus years. So we never stop experimenting. That's where that confidence boost you get after you lay down your concealer. It's my favorite part of makeup, when I put on a concealer under my eyes and just, you know, but of course we're not done because it's time to apply the powder. So I'm gonna be using this Fenty loose powder. I'll start off with applying the powder like with a brush, just a light amount of powder all over to all my highlighted areas. Then I'm gonna go in with my little, what do you call this? Like a powder puff. Then I'm gonna kind of sort of bake, but not really, because I'm gonna go in with a different powder. So this is like almost gonna be like the UK girl type of thingy, but hopefully a little bit more blended, because that was my first time doing that and I didn't really know what I was doing, but this time I've been like practicing a little bit. Time for the bronzer. Gonna be using my Fenty bronzer and just go over where I contoured. I'm going to go into my Beauty Bakerie powder. This is the color Plantain. This is where I'm going to be doing that super bright under eye. Okay. I'm going to dust these edges off because they are a little harsh. I don't want them that harsh on my nose. And then we just let this sit. We let her sit for, I don't know, a minute or two. Okay, let's start dusting this off. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. I don't want to look casket sharp, ghostly, and all of that. I want it to look cute, like even when I take pictures, but I want it to, you know, show. Yeah, low-key want to add my finishing powder on top of it, but I'm gonna spray it first. I'm gonna see how it looks after I apply my setting spray. Yeah, I'm gonna go over just a smidgen with my pressed powder. I feel like my face low-key still looks the same. as it always does when I do my soft glam. But we'll see. Do I want orange? I'll do orange. All right, let's get into the lips. Okay, y'all, so this is it. I don't know. I don't know if I did anything different than what I usually do. I feel like it still gives like soft glam. I really wanted a bright under eye, but I don't know. I don't know if I did anything different. I probably didn't. But I'm gonna do my edges and like fix my bun up a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so this is my finished look, guys. I think it looks really cute. I don't know if I did anything different per se, but I kind of did. Just a little bit, because I did add the contour. I added the blush and like the bright under eye. I did something outside of my normal nude lip. It's like a purpley mauvey nude. So just let me know what you guys think down below.